Okay, happy Tuesday. So we're starting with our rhyme recognition. I'm going to say 3 words. You repeat the 2 words that rhyme. Okay, and then I'll say them after and make sure you got them right. If you didn't get them right, oh well. Send, lend, rock. Send, lend. Big book, book. Book, look. Red head did. Red head. Yeast beast done. Yeast beast. Phone mess cone. Phone cone. Tape cape hope. Tape cape. Okay, good job. Onset fluency, I'm going to say 3 words. You tell me what sound they start with. Itchy igloo insect. I. Left longer lunch. O. Magnet mouth many. Octopus ox odd. Ah. Quiet quill quack. Quack. Okay, we're going to blend our phonemes. Remember, I say the word, you say the word. Oh, that's not it. When we blend it, I'm going to say the sounds and you're going to blend it together. And then I'll say the word, make sure you got it right. Okay, I was thinking of segmenting. Okay, I-D. Ride. Give. Give. Mud. Mud. Pack. Pack. Leap. Leap. Fuel. Fuel. That was a hard one. Sign. Sign. Mope. Mope. Okay, isolating final sounds. Which 2 words end with the same sound? Great boot keep. Great boot. Dog bowl meal. Bowl meal. Life clean 10. Clean 10. Judge edge bead. Judge edge. Mask lead pink. Mask pink. Very good. Okay, now we're segmenting. I'm going to say it. You say the whole word. Then when I chop, you chop those phonemes apart, okay? Fun. Fun. I'll do the first 2 with you. Soap. 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 Fig. Have. Him. Laugh. Okay, very good. Now I'm going to add the initial phoneme, which initial means start, to the ending part. Okay, we have unt. Add h to the beginning, and the word is hunt. We have est. Add b to the beginning, and the word is best. We have and. Add s to the beginning, and the word is sand. We have I'm. Add d to the beginning, and the word is dime. We have ox. Add f to the beginning, and the word is fox. Good. Now we're going to delete the initial phoneme, that initial sound. We have the word king without k. What's left? Ing. We have the word yam without ya. What's left? Am. We have the word hope without h. What's left? Ope. We have the word junk without j. What's left? Unk. We have the word sick without s. What's left? Ick. Kind of funny. Okay, now we're substituting. We have the word some. Change s to k. And the word is come. We have the word dog. Change d to f. And the word is fog. We have the word pale. Change p to qu. And the word is quail. We have the word seen. Change s to and the word is mean. We have the word leap. Change ul to j, and the word is jeep. Okay, and remember, no nursery rhyme this week. They wanted you to practice your vowel sounds. A, e, I, a. And sometimes y. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.